Solve. Write the solution set using interval notation. We have 7x is less than 8 minus 3x, and that's less than 6 plus 7x. We actually have 3 parts to this inequality, and it turns out that we can add the same thing to all 3 parts, just like we would add the same thing to two parts or 2 sides of an inequality with just one symbol. So for example, I have a 7x here and I have a 7x here. So I can subtract 7x from this section and this section and this section and have an equivalent inequality. Let's do that. That would be 0 is less than 8 minus 10x, having subtracted 7x from negative 3x, and that's less than 6, subtracting 7x here. Now I'd like to have the x term in the middle, so I'm going to subtract 8 from all 3 sections. That gives me negative 8 is less than negative 10x, and that is less than negative 2. Now, we want to get x by itself. To do so, we need to divide by negative 10. But remember, whenever we multiply or divide by a negative number, we have to reverse the direction of the inequality symbols. Well, we're going to do that for both symbols here. Dividing everything by negative 10, we would have negative 8 over negative 10, which is positive 4/5. And that is greater than negative 10x divided by negative 10 is x. And that is greater than negative 2 divided by negative 10, which is 1/5. So we have the solution, we have the inequality simplified. Normally we would write this with the smaller number first. So let's write it in the reverse order. 1/5 is less than x, and x is less than 4/5. To write the solution set using interval notation, we would write the interval from 1/5 to 4/5, and we do not include the endpoints because we have the symbols less than.